What's going on, everyone? Here is our new Exiss 8312 that just came in. It has a slide out, dual hydraulic jacks in the front, water spigot, aluminum spare tire and wheel, dual propane tanks, nice aluminum box for the batteries, and also the hydraulic jack pump. This trailer is an all aluminum frame and structure, aluminum skin, aluminum floor. Nice and lightweight. Has electric awning with an LED light on it. Light bar above the camper door. This grab handle does light up as well at nighttime. This is the Glacier Ash interior color and design. So first thing to the right, you're gonna have a nice deep closet. Some large stairs being able to go up to the bed space. Another closet right there on your left-hand side. USB ports up in the front with a 110-volt outlets as well. Some reading lights. Got the 32-inch TV. Some nice hat racks right above the door. This trailer does have a convection microwave in it as well. Solid surface countertops and backsplash. And a large single sink. Tons of space inside there. Open up these cabinet doors for you. Let's check up here. Some more space. A little more space inside here as well for maybe some books, movies, or something. Large sofa with cup holders. Has USB ports on the bottom of the sofa as well. And also on top. Above the sofa, you have some more cabinet space. And this is the large slide out with the flush floor glide. So you're gonna have the refrigerator and freezer inside the pop out. This is the 6 cubic foot fridge. Nice mirror. Going into the bathroom. To the right, you have a porcelain toilet. Some more storage space, also access to the plumbing. Bathroom sink. Got the vanity. And then the shower. Nice skylight. All LED lights throughout the whole trailer. Now let's go check out the horse area. Alrighty, so this trailer, we ordered it in with drop down feed doors on the butt side. Nice and heavy duty built. Has a rear ramp with spring assist. making it nice and easy to go up to the tack room. Brush box, blanket bar, bottle hooks, some more empty space for more options as well. 3-tier saddle rack. This is a collapsible rear saddle rack and a tack room as well. This one comes with pre-gen wiring as well. You can see those boxes right up there. Double wall on the head and butt side. Line insulated ceiling. Some nice deep mangers. Airflow dividers. Lower panel divider on the first stall. Large front stall. Does also have a hay rack with a pull-out ladder. Some large, deep manger space. Drop down head windows. Even one in the escape door as well. Come on in and check out the Glacier Ash interior.